You know, all my best times with my dad start with "Don't tell your mom."
As his cars were always something to see, with cool paint and lots of chrome, and they went really fast. And this started a trend toward build excellence that continues to this day. As you can see, the attention to detail on this car is amazing, especially for 1961. Unfortunately, the NHRA didn't find it so amazing. Frankly, the car scared the crap out of them. And right after Ivo smoked all four tires into oblivion the first time he hit the throttle, they banned four-engine cars from competition. But they did establish an exhibition class for the crazier stuff that everybody wanted to see. And that's where the Showboat really shined, with TV Tommy Ivo at the wheel for the next few years.
Well, hello again, my fellow modelers. I'm going to do this vintage kit. It's a Tommy 4-engine dragster, Tommy Ivo's 4-engine drag Showboat, and it features 4 Buick engines, chrome front and rear ends, and Racemaster drag slicks. So this is a used kit that I got in a set of kits that I just purchased, and I'll have a link to that video at the end here. Really neat box art. Has the names of the old drivers. Just a very interesting kit. Look at this. Here's the detail on the motors. So here's the frame. Looks like somebody already started it. And so that's definitely repairable. So I was happy to see that. Nothing broken. Here's the some of the engines. Now what surprised me on this is, you know, you've got 4 engines and they still did a lot of detail on these heads, where you could see the valves and the valve train on the other side. I thought that was pretty cool. Just a really neat kit. And here is all the chrome for the motors. Yeah, talk about tedious. Woo! Look at that. I mean, all the exhaust. I'm guessing that's the exhaust. I believe it is. The valve covers. Wow. I mean, it's just, that is intricate. Look at that. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's see. Here is, looks like some drag chutes. I'm not exactly sure. I think that's to the rear end. And then disc brakes, which is really nice. Oh, it even has the little foot pedals. And I'm guessing that's the gauges there. Some more. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but luckily I do have the instructions to this. Here's a piece to the body. And then a whole gang of parts. Like I said, I'm not even going to go over this one because, like I said, I don't think this is to this set. So, but luckily I do have all the body pieces. Looks like someone started to put the motors together. So I've got all those pieces. Few things from, I think the big thing I'm missing is the wheels. It looks like this is maybe the only one. And the instructions, pretty cool. And they have the basic engine block assembly. Some cool art right there. Neat. I don't think there's any decals in this, but that's okay because they're pretty minor anyway, so not a lot of room to put decals when you have. One thing I think I am missing is one of these, this front rear end. That sounds really weird to even say that. So I'll have to scrounge something up for that. Excited to build this one. This is going to be a pretty neat build. I really am taking all these engine parts. Holy cow. That's just intense. So, well, check out this next video I have of the history of model cars. It turned out really cool. I really enjoy it. I really enjoyed putting that one together. And I also did a couple where it has model cars in movies, which again was a really cool one. I really enjoyed putting that one together. And I'm going to have some more soon of model cars in TV shows. And that's, you won't believe how many there are. It's crazy. So talk to you soon, and I'll have more coming soon.